Welcome to our channel. Today we how to withdraw from OKX with 2FA verification for safety. Detailed guide step by step clearly. To withdraw funds from OKX with 2FA verification for added safety, start by logging into your OKX account. Once logged in, locate the Assets tab on your dashboard. Click on the Withdraw option within the Assets menu. Select the cryptocurrency you wish to withdraw from the list. Enter the withdrawal address in the designated field carefully. Make sure to double-check the address for accuracy. Next, input the amount you want to withdraw. After that, review the network fees associated with your withdrawal. You may see options for selecting the withdrawal method. Choose the one that suits your needs. Once you have filled out all the necessary information, proceed to click on the Confirm button. At this stage, the system will prompt you to complete the two-factor authentication process. Open your authentication app on your mobile device. Input the verification code generated by the app into the required field on the OKX platform. Confirm the code to verify your withdrawal request. Once confirmed, you will receive a notification regarding the status of your withdrawal. Keep an eye on your email for any further instructions or confirmations from OKX. Finally, wait for the transaction to be processed, as withdrawal times may vary based on network conditions. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Log out when you finish, especially on shared devices, to keep your account and payment information secure. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.